Now, when the facts are obvious, are you insisting on unnecessary documents? My good friends, interesting story that took place 26 years ago when I got married. So you know how old I am now, okay? Right. When you get married, what happens? Always, you take a good wedding photograph. There are 3 reasons for it. Reason number 1 is that is the best day in your life. So you groomed yourself up to the maximum, and rest of the world, they all see you except you. So what happened? You want to see how good you are looking on that day later, so you take this photograph. Number 2 is that is the legitimate proof you have along with you to hang at home and to show others in a proper way, in a decent way, you got married. Agreed? Isn't it? Right. You don't hang the marriage certificate in any other residence, have you ever seen? No, it's a photograph. In a decent way, you got married. Okay. Third thing, they say, marriage is a convocation where man loses his bachelor's and woman gets her master's. Okay, right. So, owing to these 3 reasons, you have to take a good photograph. No sooner we decided on the dates, marriage is going to take place in June, we decided on the dates somewhere in January. First thing what my parents told me was, photograph is important, photograph is important. Before the hotel or any other thing, photograph. You better go and book this particular company where we also took our photographs sometime back, still it's there. Okay. Now I went to that company. I told this is the date. They looked at the diary, said, yes, we are available, but you have to come over here. I said, no way. There's hardly any time from Poro ceremony to come over here and then go there. Why not you come to the hotel? We are having it. They looked at it, they said, yes, we have 2 mobile crews. One already booked, other one is there, yes. But said, you got to book it now. I said, now? How much? 1,600 rupees. See how cheap those days, a photograph. So full payment? Yeah, full payment. So what happened? In case if we decide not to marry or if there is a change, would you refund the money? No, it is non-refundable. So now how am I to make a decision just like that? I said, can I go home, discuss with the parties concerned again, and with my parents, and then come and make the payment? No. It's an auspicious day. Can you see the bookings we have? By the time in between, if somebody books, you are losing the chance. So I realized photograph is much more important than the marriage per se, no? So never mind, whether it's happening or not. Paid 1,600 rupees, non-refundable money, and then here where they gave the receipt. Right. Luckily, just as the way how we planned, marriage went through. So after the wedding, now what happened? They say, come 3 weeks later to see the proofs. And then thereafter what happened? Once you approve the proof, it takes another 3 weeks to what? Print and to give the final. Yeah. So what happened? Once the marriage excitement is over, now anxiously you are waiting to see the photograph. Just 3rd week, 21st day, I myself went and got down the proofs home, looked at it, selected what we wanted, put a signature, handed it over. Now they said, come after 3 weeks' time, it will be ready. Exactly after 3 weeks' time, on a Saturday, I'm going to this studio along with my wife in the car. So I just kept her inside, and I went to take photographs. I walked up to the counter and said, I'm Dhammika Kalapuke to collect the wedding photographs. They looked at the name, found, took it out. Oh, couple photographs, 4 group photographs, 4, 8 beautifully dead come out, black and white those days, no color. And then, fine. I said, thank you very much. Just say, bill, we want the bill. Then I realized, oh, I didn't bring the bill. They said, no, without producing the bill, we cannot release the photographs. I asked, why? I have made the full payment. Yeah. Otherwise, we wouldn't have ever taken the photograph at the first place. But on the bill, it's clearly stated, you got to produce the bill when you are coming to collect the finals, and it's written in red, it seems. I said, oh, I can't remember that, but anyway, wherever you want to sign, I will sign, and give me the photograph. No. Clearly it is stated. You got to produce the bill to get the final. I asked, why? I have made the payment, and this photograph is here. Why? He said, how do we know whether the right party is making a claim? Ask me. I said, right party, I am here in this photograph. What more better right party than right proof than this? Then what happened? He looked at me, looked at the photograph, and then said, yes, you are there, you are there. But anyway, on the bill it is clearly stated that, okay, you got to produce the bill to get the photograph. True story. True story. So what happened now? I said, come on, nobody needs this photograph except us. That's the exact reason we are also telling, sir, nobody else will come and claim for this photograph. It will be safe here. You print the bill, sir, we'll give it. So what happened now? No way how they are going to release the photograph. So I was keeping my hands behind and then walking up to the car. My wife's head is outside the window to welcome the photograph, not me anymore. Right, I walked up to her and said, oh, you are really looking so beautiful in that photograph. Really, really, am I? She virtually got off from the car. But I said, the sad thing is they are not releasing the photograph without the receipt. I said, then she was telling me, why, you have the receipt? No. It's inside your wallet. No, I said, yeah, it was inside my wallet, but from the day I got married, I had been pulling the wallet out so often, so thinking that it will get misplaced, that I kept it elsewhere. Then she was telling me, then you knew that today we were going to collect the photographs, so should I brought this? No, I forgot, you should I reminded her. How can I remind you? Because I thought that it was with you. I said, you were assuming that was wrong. So, but you knew that you were, no, bit of a big commotion. So I thought, oh, the photograph and the invoice, is it going to be the cost for a divorce? Married within 3 weeks. I said, don't worry, you will look as it is. As it is, I'll bring the photograph. Maybe 2-3 days time when I again come over here. Said, no. After I said that, I am also looking so beautiful. I like to see the photograph. Parents are anxiously waiting. Come, we'll take the photograph. So we both walked up to the counter. And what were we doing? For the second time, we were performing the wedding march, again holding her hand and up to the counter. I said, married 6 weeks, no much of a difference. Can you see, can you give the photograph? Again looked at, yeah, you are there, but anyway, without the wedding photograph. No, without the receipt, we cannot release the photograph. So disappointedly, she let loose my hand, and then she was walking, got in from the other car, banged the door. Then I'm driving, she's not talking to me, so occasionally I was looking at her face, another lovely posture to take yet another great photograph. Okay, right. And after 2-3 weeks' time, when I found the receipt, I went and got the photograph. When facts are obvious, are you still keep on insisting on unnecessary documents? Think about it.